So guys, here goes our first book, Diary of a Wimpy Kid, movie diary. So basically this book is about how movie is made. I have made a bookmark in my little craft time. You can also make. So let's see what's inside. So this is basically a diary on how movie is made, how camera preparations are done, how script is written, how sketches are done. All this is about movie and how a movie is made. So if you are interested and curious that how a movie is made and how can be made, so you can just go for this book. And this is a really interesting book if you are curious about how movie is made. So the price of this book is 399 rupees. So it's hardcover book of Diary of a Wimpy Kid. There are many series of Diary of a Wimpy Kid, and personally I am a huge fan for this book. So this book is written by Jeff Kinney, and all this book is like making of a film. First I thought it would contain a story, but no, this is about movies and how Diary of a Wimpy Kids movie is made. So this is a basically movie preview book. So if you're interested in it, so you can go for it. So we shall move ahead with our next storybook. So let's go for it. So this book is Thea's Children and Treasure Seekers. If you have known, I have just reviewed it in my channel. If you want, I have given the description of this reviewing video link in description box below. I have made this little bookmark. You can also make two with piece of cardboard. So let's move inside what is in book. As you know, there are 6 friends. They are spending their vacation in Scotland, and how they meet their friend, and like in her house there is a tapestry. She says that this tapestry is the treasure map, and there is a riddle in it. They solve the riddle. They find the first treasure. Of course, there are 7 treasures, and this treasure maps and all the treasure hints are in all the worldwide hunt. So the book cost is 599 rupees, which is sponsored by Scholastic. This is worldwide treasure hunt. So like they include India too. So the 6 friends mystery is like a bit of like they are Thea sisters. Like the summer vacations are going on, and they just go on Scotland, find a tapestry. There is a riddle. They solve it, and they find the first part, means the first treasure of 7 of all. If you want the second part of this Thea Stilton, then you can take the second part, the Compass of Stars. But this is the latest book of 2019. You can go for. So let's move to the next book. So this is Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. I'm a big Harry Potter series, which is written by J.K. Rowling, and basically this is a bit of fantasy, sci-fi, and all those things. So basically this is the third book of Harry Potter series. I have third and fourth. I will show you the fourth next. Harry Potter series is my best and favorite series. So in this book, what literally happens is Harry Potter is studying in a magic school, Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry. This book contains no pictures and have a small font. I have made another bookmark too. So this book is like a fantasy book. If you're a fantasy lover, you can go for it. So what happens is Harry Potter lives in his aunt and uncle's house. He knows that there is a murderer named Sirius Black, and he is after Harry. He is after murdering Harry. But then a twist comes, and then he knows that he is not about Harry to kill him, but he is there to save him from Dark Lord, Dark Voldemort, who is villain in this book. And then the twist change into an hast. So this book is totally amazing book, and I just love this book. This is one of my favorite book in my whole favorites. So this the author of the book, just J.K. Rowling. I said just look like this. I'll tell you. Yeah. She looks like this. She's my favorite author, and just I have this book Goblet of Fire. I'll show you this next. So Harry Potter and Prisoner of Azkaban is basically amazing and very magical book. So here it contains all the 7 part of Harry Potter series. There are 7 books, and I have 2 of them, Goblet of Fire and Prisoner of Azkaban, and I'm looking forward to buying both. But you should just buy Prisoner of Azkaban, which is the best book in all the 7 series. So let's go to next. This is Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, which I have told you, the 4th book of Harry Potter series. I'm not reviewing it detail. Of course, it is written by J.K. Rowling. The price of the book is 699 rupees. And what happens is, Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry is holding a Triwizard tournament in their school, where there are many dangerous tasks, and a Goblet of Fire is choosing students' name, and there is an age limit of 17 years, and Harry is dreaming to come in that Goblet of Fire. He wants to go in that tournament, and suddenly Goblet of Fire makes his name an announcement, and what happens is Harry is stunned to see that his name was in Goblet of Fire, and now he has to face death terrifying dragons, dark wizards, and all the tasks, dangerous tasks that 17 years old wizards are to do. So this book is also amazing and like that things, and so this is like magical, but Prisoner of Azkaban is better than this. So you can just make it like some, if you want like dragons and tasks, all the things, you can go for this. And if you like magic, mystery, and all these things, you can go for Prisoner of Azkaban and all. So if he has to live alive through this tournament, he should be with his friends Ron and Hermione. He has 2 best friends, of course. This book has no pictures and has smaller fonts than our 3rd book. And basically, I'm going on this page. I've just completed this half part, and I'm remaining with this part. I'm just reading this now, and I have bookmark. I have not made this bookmark. I have got from Amazon. So this book is also legendary, amazing, magical, and just if you love all these things, dragons and all, you can go for this book. So this was our review of Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. It's pretty thicker than the Goblet of Fire. This Goblet of Fire is pretty thicker than Prisoner of Azkaban. So 4th book is thick than the 3rd book, of course. Now let's get to the another book. So here we have Close Secret Club. So if you remember, I have just reviewed this book, and if you want this book to be this detailed video, you can just go down below in the description section and check the link below. I have put the detailed video in there. This book and Thea Chilton. So in this book, what happens is Chloe and her friends start a new club, and they make their club book and how they start their club. Because I am the one that who just likes to start clubs, so I have bought this book, How to Make a Club. It's a guide to make club. I have made a bookmark of my own here, a bit of creativity, and this book is pretty amazing. There are many chapters in this book. This is like a bit graphic novel because they contain pictures, black and white pictures. So of Chloe and her fun, her friends, her school days, her society days, all this is in this book. So the book cost is 250 rupees. You can just purchase it from Amazon. I am giving you the link in description below of Amazon and the detailed video too. Just don't forget to check the description box for all the books for Amazon purchase and the detailed videos of them. So just comment me down below which type of book do you like, and I will send you some suggestions for it. Just don't wait and go for it. So now this is like I told, this cost is 250 rupees and all. So this is the book. So you can just purchase it from Amazon. Let's go to the next book. So this is Diary of a Wimpy Kid Double Down, one of my favorite book after Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. So this book is I just love this book is this is most funniest book I have ever have in my favorite section. The price is 399 rupees, and This book is totally blast amazing. Like, there are many, there is a boy named Greg Heffley, and all about his life, his crazy family, his family Heffleys, all his fun he do, all is in this book, and I just love this book. And this is not only one book, there are many series. This is the book 6th, I guess, and there are many books without this in the Wimpy Kids series. So you can just go and check the books if you are interested. So not only it holds comedic story, but it holds a sticker grade. This is stickers, Wimpy Kids stickers. It holds free. Zooey Mama stickers. So I just love them. And his adventure with his crazy family is a blast of comedy. So you can just go for this book if you love graphic novels or comics. You can just go for this. So now, without wasting our time, you can just go into description section and check for the Amazon link. Now let's go to the next book. So this is again Diary of a Wimpy Kid, The Ugly Truth. This is also a comedic series of his crazy family Heffleys and his life. So I just love Wimpy Kid book series because they are super funny and super amazing. If you want this, the link is in description below. The price of this book is 399 rupees. His life is a blast and this book is super funny. The author Jeff Kinney is very popular and he has sold over 200 million copies of this book. So this book, if you are just going to see this for your kids, no, this is a spoiler free warning. This book is over 9, so just don't buy it if you're under 9. So this is not for you. This is basically 10 plus rated book, so kids, don't buy this. And there are many books here. He has made a series of his diary. He just writes his diary every day, and all his comedy, funny, drama is all in this book, The Ugly Truth, Diary of a Wimpy Kid. So let's get to the next book review. Let's go. So this is again Diary of a Wimpy Kid Dog Days. I collect a lot of Diary of a Wimpy Kids because I just love his adventure and all. And what happens in this book is every time when Greg Heffley has its summer vacation, and he likes to spend his summer vacation all day in front playing video games, eating chips, curtains closed. But it seems like his mom's idea is different from his. His mom's way of thinking is he should go out, play in sun, and do something innovative and all. But Greg Heffley wants to sit in front of video game all day. So let's see what happens in his life. And like I have said that this is a comedic series, and what happens in his life is a very, very interesting question. You should just read this book for this. So the book cost is 399 rupees, and you should buy this if you are relatable to this situation. So the link description for this book is below. You can buy it from Amazon. So I'm giving the link below. Just go and check and comment me down below which type of books you like, and I will suggest you. So this was the book Dog Days, Diary of a Wimpy Kid. It's a bit old because some issues have happened. That's why this is a bit old, from Amazon. And this book is probably amazing book, third favorite book of my favorites. And this book is super amazing book. You should just read this. This is a very famous book series, Diary of a Wimpy Kid. So this was the end of a video. If you like our videos, go check and just comment us down below what next should we do for you. So thanks for watching.